Hello everyone, I'm Chad, and today we're taking a ride in the 2016 Mercedes Benz ML series vehicle. Actually, it's not an ML. I take that back. It looks like an ML, but it's actually a GLE. So, anyways, we just got done doing our quick cruise around in it. I hope you enjoyed that. You know, the car drives quite smoothly. As you'll see, acceleration is really good. Braking is nice. The suspension, it's quiet on the cabin when you're sitting in here, very quiet sounding. And also when I pull into a parking lot just to kind of turn it around and do things and move the car, it's really easy to spin the steering wheel around, so the power steering is great. Reverse works good, cameras look good. Of course, you do see some flickering in the cameras or the screens inside the car, but that is not what I'm seeing when I'm sitting in the vehicle. That is just the frame rates on the actual camera that I'm filming with. So again, when you get your car, it won't be flickering or anything like that. Cleanliness of the car, I would rate this one a 9 out of 10. It is very clean, and everything is just in tip-top shape with this pre-owned car. It does have around 85,000 miles on it, so there you go. Let's go ahead and hop out, take a look at the exterior, and then we'll take it back down where the car belongs at Southern Motor Company. All right, everybody, so there it is, the 2016 Mercedes Benz GLE. So earlier in the video I said ML, but it is no longer the ML, it is the GLE. They do look somewhat similar, but this is definitely very nice. This is absolutely a beautiful car. And you know, when people think of maybe buying a luxury SUV to cruise around in and drive on a daily basis, this sometimes is something you're thinking about, right? You're thinking about Mercedes Benz, you're thinking BMW, maybe Jaguar, Land Rover, Range Rover, Lexus. You know, so those are just Audi, of course. You're thinking of those brands when you think of your traditional luxury SUV that you want to buy. And now, a lot of times when you're buying a luxury SUV, there is a large, you know, expensive price tag attached to it. But what is nice about something like this is you're buying a quality, well-maintained, pre-owned luxury car, and you're being able to buy it for a attractive price. This one currently today is $28,990, so $28,900 for this beautiful car. It's got your 5-star Mercedes-Benz wheels. Michelin tires are 255/50 series wrapped onto a 19-inch rim. The entire exterior of the car looks to me pretty flawless. You know, if I see any dents, dings, scratches, I usually will point them out on the video. So far, looking good. LED taillights. The whole rear of the vehicle is in beautiful shape. And this one is the GLE350, letting me know that it has a 3.5 liter motor. Some other perks you're getting with it is the power tailgate that can be accessed through the vehicle's key fob or remote, or just by hitting the button there right on the back like I just did. It's got the cargo cover. Carpets are clean. The spare tire actually is right under here. There you go. So all that looks really nice. Hit this button to drop that right on back down. Very nice car, beautiful car. Let's take a look in the back seats. See what amenities are in the rear for back passengers. Beautiful wood trim. I like the brown with the tan, very nice. The beige and the brown. Seats are in great shape. No rips, no tears. Very nice. I like the black floor for carpet. Or is that dark brown? I think it actually is dark brown. It looks almost to be black, but it's like a dark brown. But very, very clean car. It looks really nice. Also, right up here, fantastic. I mean, just look at the area you get to sit at and drive this beautiful car. Wow, it's incredible. No panoramic glass roof going all the way to the rear. I know a lot of people like those, but your traditional sunroof just like that should work just fine for you. You got to remember, folks, back in the day you didn't have a roof that went all the way to the back. And honestly, I think for safety this could be a bit safer, not having a roof that goes all the way to the back. I mean, that's a lot of glass if you think about it. But you know, the automotive industry has definitely figured it out where it's pretty safe as can be. But power everything from windows to mirrors, memory seats, power seats, lumbar support. Then you got the brown that rolls up onto the dash. So basically any part of the car that usually on a typical vehicle would be black is dark brown. Very nice. Very beautiful. You know, Mercedes really does it up. They really do. You know, it's just, to me, it's a step above the rest in a sense. You know? So, I mean, that's it. Very clean. I like how you can open these up. There's plenty of storage down there. You got 2 USB ports down there. That's kind of cool. And then this right here is kind of like a mouse, okay? You can control and move your finger around to select things on the screen. You also have a back button here. You can press down on that knob to enter, or you can turn the knob to select things. And then this right here is sport, comfort mode, snow, things like that, with the suspension and all. So, not bad. This is a really beautiful car. Be a great vehicle for just about anybody with any kind of lifestyle, whether you live on the coast by the beaches, or even if you live up near the mountains. I think this car would do well for just about everybody. It probably will even handle, you know, towing a smaller boat or something like that. So, yeah, not bad at all. This is just, again, some of the type of vehicles that we sell at Southern Motor Company. We love Mercedes, BMW. We got a few X5s right now. So I always encourage people to stop by our store. You know, you can sit there on the internet and watch videos, look at pictures, and read articles, and do all that kind of stuff. But at some point or another, try to get out the house and come on by and see us. We got a beautiful selection of inventory, and we are definitely here to help you.